po Bunso at sa lahat ng mga friends of Eagles. Ako po ay inimbitahan ko kayo. Ngayong araw na to ang ating 45th National Assembly, National Executive Committee meeting, Lady Eagles at Junior Eagles Convention. Magsama-sama po tayo sa lahat ng mga agila na sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, na magkaisa po tayo, na magtulungan, magmahalan, at higit sa lahat, maggalangan po tayo sa ating mga kapwa agila. Sa lahat ng mga kuya, lalo na sa mga ate at bunso, ang kahalagaan ng ating 45th National Assembly, dito natin binabalangkas lahat ng batas na gusto nating ipatupad from PROV, district and region, lalo-lalo na po sa national. Ang inyong mga resolution at na-aproban ngayong National Assembly ay ilalagay po natin yan sa ating Magna Carta para ipatupad sa lahat ng mga agila na naniniwala na tayo po ay nagkakaisa sa isang advokasya na magtanim, mag-brigada eskwela, at higit sa lahat ang ating kalusugan ay ating pinapangalagahan, at yung mga tao na naninira po sa atin, huwag nating mapansinin. Focus lang po tayo sa ating pagmamahalan sa bawat isa. Ngayon po tuloy Assembly, inaasahan po namin na kayo ay magkaroon ng kalinawan kung ano ang ating babalangkas sa ating National Executive Committee meeting at sa National Assembly. Ang lahat ng batas na ating aproban ngayon ay dapat ipatupad sa mga susunod na mga araw. Yun lang po, at sana lahat po tayo ay may magandang kalusugan. Mabuhay ang pamilyang Agila.
Okay, very simple lang. Ang sabi nila, the wrong one will find you in peace and leave you in pieces. And the right one will find you in pieces and lead you to peace. Well, this gathering is a historical episode that really added to understanding the why of being an Eagle member. Because in this event, every Eagle members of this fraternity will positively contribute just by their mere presence to the outcome which can inspire and strengthen the bond of our general membership for betterment. This assembly is the time to revitalize the bond of solidarity, including the Lady Eagles, and with this, we can continuously and effectively deliver our services with greater impact, which is felt even in the remotest and most neglected sector of our society. This will be the manifestation of the Eagles' guiding principle, service through strong brotherhood. Maraming salamat sa mga dumalo, at welcome po ang lahat sa komunidad ng Agila, yung mga pusong handang tumulong at handang magserbisyo ng walang bayad. Handang bumunod din ng bulsa, ng laman ng bulsa para sa kapakanan ng ating mga nangangailangan mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Greetings to my brothers and sisters in the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. It is a great honor to address you all today during the 45th National Assembly First Regular Session, hosted by the Central Luzon Eagles Region. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone involved in making this significant event possible. As a proud member of this esteemed organization, I am continuously inspired by our commitment to service, camaraderie, and the betterment of our communities. The Eagles have always stood as a beacon of hope and solidarity, exemplifying the true essence of brotherhood and unity. In these challenging times, your role as Eagles becomes even more crucial. You must continue to uphold your values and work together to support our fellow Filipinos. Whether through community outreach programs, disaster response initiatives, or simply lending a helping hand to those in need, your actions make a significant impact. Your efforts exemplify the spirit of leadership and service that our organization is known for. Use this gathering as an opportunity to strengthen your bonds, share your experiences, and forge new paths towards a brighter future for all. Together, we can achieve great things and continue to make a positive difference in our society. Nandito lang po ang inyong kuya, Senator Bongo, na handang magserbisyo po sa inyong lahat sa abot ng aking makakaya. Mabuhay ang Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.